Good evening. Thank you for your time. Okay, so my name is Swapnil and I'm in charge of sales at Tagit. Yeah? What does Tagit do? We have a mobility platform and we create mobile applications for banks and financial services. To quote the obvious, the world is going mobile. Everyone knows that. Every kid, every parent, everyone knows the world is going mobile. And because of that, all enterprises want to go mobile. But what are the challenges faced by banks and enterprises when they want to go mobile? Yeah? Security is always a key concern for any bank, any financial institution. Then you have a fragmented mobile phone market. Do I only launch iPhone application or do I launch iPhone, Android and BlackBerry to begin with? That is a key question because you cannot really ignore still the Nokia, J2ME, BlackBerry users that you have in the market. Also, when you go and develop applications for each and every phone, your cost is really high. Not only that, the time to market is also high in that case. And how do you launch something unique, something innovative? These are the key concerns, and this is where our mobility platform comes into picture. Any mobile phone, any device, absolutely, we can support it all through one configuration. And how do we do that? We have this robust mobility platform which can create output through HTML5, mobile web browsers, on iPhone, Android, Windows, any phone or any tablet that you like. It has inbuilt modules for banking, government, retail, ticketing, and also at the back end, it can talk via ISO 8583 through web services, through payment interfaces, or if you only have an online bank, we can still help it take mobile. You don't have to invest in web services through our virtual browser adapter, as we call it. Not only that, it can also talk to enterprise systems like Sybase or PeopleSoft. Also, it can talk to third-party payment systems like PayPal, or even social media integration is possible in your app. This is the editor that makes it all possible. Our developers, or even for that matter, banks ops team use this editor so they can immediately see how your application will look on a Windows phone, how it will look on an iPhone. Once you develop these apps, going forward, let's say you want to change text, you want to change a picture, you can do it runtime without the customer having to re-download the app using this editor. And this is what really distinguishes us from our competitors. So how secure is this platform? Over $2 billion has been transacted on this platform without any issues in the last 3 years. It's really scalable. We have over 2 million users on this platform. It's truly device agnostic. We support all the phones. In case of DBS and Citibank, we're supporting each and every phone that they want in Singapore as well as in India. Any new device comes in, there's iPhone 5, there's iPad 3, there's let's say Android 4.0. We can cover it all for our customers within just a matter of 2 weeks. It has a content management tool which makes dynamic changes really easy. Also, no customer should be left out. So if your customer doesn't know English, no problem. We can develop apps in Vietnamese, Arabic, Bahasa, French, Mandarin, any language that you want. These are some of our customers, and with most of the customers, we have a multi-country deal. So DBS, Standard Chartered Bank, Royal Bank of Canada, they're all already in multiple countries for mobile banking applications. With Stanchart, we've also done the employee application on mobile phone. SmartLink and KNet are ATM and payment switches respectively. I'll talk about them shortly. Some of our case studies, DBS mobile banking app was ranked world number 4 in mobile banking applications globally. We have over 500,000 users on the DBS mobile banking. On UOB, we launched the innovative mobile cash, in which let's say we have dinner and I have to pay you $50 for dinner last night. I don't need to know your bank account number. I just enter your mobile number. I say pay $50 to you. You go to the UOB ATM, you don't need a card. You just press mobile cash on the main menu without having to insert a card. You enter the secret code that I've shared with you and you get your cash. Breeze iPhone and iPad application is also done by us, in which I can write checks to people using my phone or tablet. I don't need to carry my checkbook anymore. The bank receives the request, they'll print the check and send it to the beneficiary. Citibank is live for 3 years, absolutely no issues. We support over 1,000 devices in India. Royal Bank of Canada has over 1 million users on Android and BlackBerry. Commonwealth Bank also, it's the first application which allows investments through your mobile phone. We have an enterprise model in which, that's a business model in which we charge the bank or the enterprise for license fees for professional services and support. And the aggregator model is coming up for payment switches and ATM switches, in which there is only transaction-based revenue. It's more of volume-based. This is the vision that we have for our platform. Currently, the enterprise model is pretty much proven. Aggregator model we are launching in Vietnam and Kuwait with SmartLink and KNet, in which I can pay for government services, I can pay for airline tickets, movie tickets through one application. And then going forward, we're going to put up the platform in the cloud so that banks, enterprises can download the app, can download the SDK, and they can create their own application for their customers. We have some solid revenues, solid license revenues, and great annuity-based revenues. And we hope that aggregator and open platform revenues take us to another level altogether. This is the founding team that makes it all possible. We have an eclectic mix of people with Navteet Singh, who's a Singaporean and has over 30 years of experience in food and advertising. Shankar is a strategist. He's from an award-winning internet payment company. Parikshit is the technology brain. Nilima manages the product side and the evolution of it. We hope to cover as many SWIFT member banks as possible for their mobility requirements and hope to raise some money so we can expand globally. Thank you. Thank you.